There's a vintage Lennox heat pump.
Old Lennox heat pump.
And an old Reamer Ruud. Data sheet. 1987.
The old reversing valve.
Tonnage is unknown. I'm gonna see if I can find the reversing valve. I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
Here's an old room.
I think. Oh no, that's not it. I would imagine it has a Tecumseh compressor.
I'll look back on the video to figure that out.
I think this one's just straight cool.
Old PTAP.
1990. This is a 3-ton. Can't tell what kind of compressor that is. I found the valve.
See the valve?
Yeah.
Old Lennox.
These are Bryant preferred heat pump and an Armstrong era heat pump. It's all nice and toasty. There's the Lennox over there. The Ruud cannot be seen as it's hiding behind the Lennox, and there's a window unit back there that I didn't show. And with that, I will conclude this video. Out.